In this section of this chapter, we will talk about isomerism. Let's recall what are isomers. Isomers are molecules that have the same molecular formula but whose atoms are arranged differently. So we will have the same molecular formula, which means the same number and type of each atom. However, these atoms will be arranged in different ways. There are two basic types of isomerism in organic chemistry. The first one is structural isomerism, and the second one is stereoisomerism. Let's start with the structural isomerism. Structural isomers are defined as having the same molecular formula but different structural formulae. And there are three subdivisions of structural isomers, which are positional isomers, functional group isomers, and the chain isomers. In the next tutorial, we will talk about the differences between these three subdivisions.